If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
The King Kong chair by ALPS Mountaineering has been a fan favorite for over 10 years. Our highest weight rated chair, the King Kong, has a beefy powder-coated steel frame with a generous seat width of over 24 inches. 3 large pockets keep your gear off the ground, and the 2 cup holders are a great feature for those summer days. Perfect for the campsite or your kid's soccer game, the King Kong easily folds up into its included carry bag.
Why is a rocking chair so universally loved? Because of the sense of total relaxation and stress relief it creates. The Freestyle Rocker from GCI Outdoor is a portable rocking chair for all of your on-the-go adventures. With a patent-pending spring-action rocking technology, the chair rocks smoothly with its uniquely designed rock shocks. The Freestyle Rocker provides a smooth and relaxing rocking motion on soft or hard terrains. The Freestyle Rocker is constructed of sturdy, powder-coated steel that supports up to 250 pounds. Other features are padded armrests and a convenient beverage holder. The Freestyle Rocker folds up quickly and easily with patent-pending Easy Fold technology. Just pull up on the handle on the side of the seat to fold the chair. It has a convenient carry handle that lets you take this chair with you wherever you go. The Freestyle Rocker is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, music festivals, watching sports, and any outdoor activity. GCI Outdoor, the experts in
What comes to mind when you hear the word camping? Time away from home, a perfect weekend getaway, a chance to connect with nature's beauty, a time to substitute your seat's comfort for hard and uneven ground, right? Well, not exactly. Camping doesn't have to be uncomfortable anymore. Introducing the LENCE camping chair, a compact, ultralight, and portable foldable camping chair that's set to revolutionize your camping experience. The LENCE camping chair is highly durable, with its seat made of 600D Oxford cloth and its frame built with a high-strength aluminum alloy. It features an ultra-light shock cord pull frame, making it astonishingly lightweight. It weighs only 2 pounds, but its well-structured joints and anti-skip feet make it ideal to hold up to 242 pounds of weight. What's more, it's easy to assemble, fold, and pack it in your backpack. It's ideal for backpackers, hikers, campers, adventurers, or anyone looking for comfort without the bulk. We make an unconditional promise. Our product comes with a lifetime warranty. If your product is defective, we'll replace it for free. This excludes normal wear and tear. Get your package of comfort today for $31.99 and stand by for free shipping.